You do not have to spend $30,000 to $50,000 and painful surgical procedures to get a beautiful smile. There are options for conservative smile makeovers. I'm Dr. Gina, and I'm here to let you know that a smile makeover, a modern one and a natural one, and holistic dentistry can be quite comfortable. I won't say painless, but quite comfortable. And you may not even need shots or needles and may not be as expensive as you think. There's a few different options available on the market that at our practice we focus on that can make our patients look 10 to 20 years younger and can give them the confidence to show up at graduations, weddings. There's so many different things that our patients do it for. To get back in the dating world, but a lot of people just want to be able to job interviews, to be confident, and they were not feeling confident in their smile because of the issues with missing teeth. They grinded the teeth away. They had a lot of tooth decay. Some of my patients, unfortunately, had some really tough medical conditions that they went through and medications that ruined their teeth and health conditions. And they wanted to restore them quickly, painlessly, without a lot of drilling. And these options exist. What are they ask? I'll start with the one that requires the least cost effective, not a lot of drilling at all, and that's snap-on veneers. And how does that work, you're asking? Because most people are used to veneers or crowns. You have to drill down the teeth and then glue the porcelain to the teeth, which is excellent. That is the permanent option that you want to be going for if your teeth are really broken down. But if you're just missing some teeth and you have spaces, you have teeth that are malaligned, and you want beautiful teeth now, you don't have time for orthodontics, and you don't want to do permanent dental implants where you have to wait 6 or 12 months, you just need a gorgeous smile now, snap-on veneers are it. How does it work? We take photos, we take scans, we ask you about what shape of the teeth you want, and we literally make you an arch of the teeth, sometimes for just the price of one single veneer, the entire arch that fills in all the spaces, replaces areas of the teeth that are broken, decayed, discolored, yellow, and you snap them on for your event. So we take the scans, we take the impressions, we design your smile, we work with the lab, we make them great materials that don't pick up stains, so you can drink coffee, you can drink wine, and we have them ready for you for your event, and usually just 1-2 weeks, depending how quickly you need them. So those are our snap-on smiles or snap-on veneers. Oh my goodness, I had my AirPods right here. I was just enjoying this nice weather to share about these options today instead of sitting inside the office. Then second technique that people don't realize is out there is something called injection molding. I know sometimes people are like, well, why would people want to do bonding because injection molding is kind of similar to bonding, but it's the entire arch. Why would people want to do bonding when it doesn't last as long? And again, people sometimes just want to do it because it's conservative. They do not have to drill down the teeth completely. They don't have to commit. They don't have to take on the expense of porcelain crowns and veneers. So with injection molding or bonding, we can simply take the scans of the teeth, the photos of the teeth, do an interview with how you want the teeth to look, what color you want the teeth to be, if they're too small, if you have areas that are broken, and we can replace it all by making basically a mold of what we want your smile to look like. And I can literally inject some beautiful, transparent, really glossy, so we can polish it really nice, resin material over the teeth to make your smile look the way that you want. And then we trim it all down, we polish it, we make sure that you can floss and clean around it. And again, this is not as long lasting as something like dental implants or veneers or crowns, but you have a beautiful smile with really, again, practically no pain, not a lot of drilling, sometimes no injections, nothing, and we don't drill down teeth. I'm not committing to anything big, and you can just have a beautiful smile right away. Yeah, it's great. So I love injection molding. I can't wait to, again, show you what yours can look like, and we can do that. You can go to our website, and there's apps there where you can see before and after of you can take a photo of your own smile and kind of see what you would look like with something like snap-on veneers, injection molding, or even something like whitening or aligning the teeth if your teeth are just crowded and they just need alignment and widening of the arches and whitening. That option is there. Trying to think what else I was going to tell you. So yeah, those two things are the most conservative and like not as expensive as what you're thinking. I do love doing veneer bridges too. So if you're missing teeth and you don't want to drill down teeth for a traditional bridge, or you're worried like your bone isn't good for dental implants, or you think you're going to have a reaction to dental implants, because dental implants are phenomenal. They are a permanent great replacement. They keep bone, whereas when you're doing other things, you're not actually keeping the bone. Anytime you have tooth loss, it's, every year you're getting more and more tooth loss normally. So dental implants are fantastic. I'm not saying they're not a great option. Same with traditional crown and bridge dentistry. It's amazing and beautiful. But some people just do not have the money for that at this point in time. And some people have a fear of dentistry. And if you just want something now that's easy, that looks phenomenal, and isn't as expensive, snap-on veneers, injection molding, those things can just literally, like I said, take 10 to 20 years off of your smile and give you a beautiful facial feature that you're just like confident. Like I said, the confidence of our patients is the fun part. They get to go to graduations again and weddings and talk to everyone without being embarrassed. And I like people, the patients too. A lot of our patients, job interviews and things are really fun when they're feeling more confident. A healthier smile too is not just about fixing the teeth. It really does upgrade your life. If you found this video helpful, you can share it, or just give us a call or head on over to our website so that you can get a little feel for what it would look like on you.